Taste and Food Tour. We're happy to have you here.
Everyone, please stay with the group for safety.
We will start at the Liberation Park, then enjoy a lecture for lunch, and end at the Baywalk for relaxation.
Don't worry, just follow our track marker and we will keep you on track.
This is the Liberation Park where American troops landed on March 26, 1945 to liberate Cebu. The statues honor their bravery.
Everyone, let's take a photo. Welcome to our lechon feast. Crispy skin, tender meat, with puso rice. A true Talisay specialty.
Wow, this is the best lunch ever. Can I take the whole thing home? Only if you can feel it.
We end our tour here at the Baywalk, overlooking the sea where history began. Thank you for joining us today.
Last group photo, stay lechon.
Lechon!
This was amazing. History, food and fun, and one day.
Thank you and come again in Talisay. Mabuhay!